IBP versus Zamora, GR number 141284. The related provision is Article 2, Section 3 of the 1987 Constitution, the role of armed forces. Facts of the case: the petitioners seek to nullify the order of former President Estrada to deploy the Marines together with the PNP and visibility patrols around the metropolis. The main purpose of the letter of instruction is for crime prevention or to reduce crimes in Metro Manila. The issues related to the provisions are whether or not the call-out of the armed forces are subject to judicial review, and whether or not the deployment of Marines violates the civilian supremacy provision under the Constitution. The ruling of the Supreme Court: according to the court, there is no need for judicial review since the President is acting in exercise of his power as the Commander-in-Chief. The order of the President is for maintenance and peace and order and promotion of general welfare, and in this case, the President is only exercising his power as a protector of peace. The court also emphasized that the power of the President as the Commander-in-Chief is not limited only during emergencies. He has wide discretion in this matter. The call out of armed forces and declaring martial law or suspending the privilege of the writ of habeas corpus are different. To impose martial law, there are two requisites. The first one is that there must be an actual invasion or rebellion. The second one is that public safety must require it. To impose martial law, the review of the Congress and the Supreme Court is required. But since in the case of Barr, there is only a call out, his judgment can't be reviewed by anybody. To address the second issue, the deployment of Marines doesn't violate the civilian supremacy provision because, according to court, the Marines are merely assistant to the PNP. The PNP has the full control of the said operation, and the AFP chief has no authority to control the same. The calling of Marines is permissible use of military assets for civilian enforcement. Plus, no citizen has complained about violating his civil rights.